Welcome to day one of our shadowing challenge, built just for you.
10 days, one topic a day, sentences you can actually use. And step by step, it gets a little more challenging. You'll feel it happen.
And hey, good to have you here, English adventurers.
No long intros, no big speeches. Just you, us, and the practice.
New to shadowing? Just drop a comment. We're happy to help you get started.
Today, 100 sentences about your daily routine, from waking up to starting the day. Just listen and repeat after me.
And when you've made it through all 100 with us, be proud of it. Drop a comment. Day one, done. Let's go.
My alarm goes off at 7.
My alarm goes off at 7.
I open my eyes slowly.
I open my eyes slowly. It's still dark outside. It's still dark outside.
I check my phone before anything else.
I check my phone before anything else.
I never find it easy to get up.
I never find it easy to get up. My body feels heavy for a moment. My body feels heavy for a moment.
I sit up slowly and stretch.
I sit up slowly and stretch.
A deep breath helps me wake up.
A deep breath helps me wake up.
The morning light comes through the curtains.
The morning light comes through the curtains.
Birds are already singing outside.
Birds are already singing outside.
I still feel a little sleepy.
I still feel a little sleepy.
My eyes take a moment to adjust. My eyes take a moment to adjust.
I glance at the clock. It's time.
I glance at the clock. It's time. I tell myself to get up now. I tell myself to get up now. Slowly, I pull back the blanket. Slowly, I pull back the blanket.
The floor feels cold under my feet.
The floor feels cold under my feet.
I stand up and take a breath.
I stand up and take a breath.
I notice the sunlight filling the room. I notice the sunlight filling the room. The sky looks clear today. The sky looks clear today.
Mornings like this feel calm and quiet.
Mornings like this feel calm and quiet. I walk to the bathroom half asleep. I walk to the bathroom half asleep. The bathroom light feels too bright. The bathroom light feels too bright. I look at myself in the mirror.
I look at myself in the mirror.
Brushing my teeth wakes me up properly. Brushing my teeth wakes me up properly. Cold water on my face helps a lot.
Cold water on my face helps a lot.
I already feel more awake now. I already feel more awake now. My hair takes a minute to fix. My hair takes a minute to fix. Choosing an outfit takes a while. Choosing an outfit takes a while. Something comfortable always feels right. Something comfortable always feels right. The weather decides what I wear. The weather decides what I wear. I grab a light jacket just in case. I grab a light jacket just in case. I put on my shoes by the door. I put on my shoes by the door.
One more glance and I'm ready. One more glance and I'm ready. Getting ready feels like a small ritual. Getting ready feels like a small ritual. I turn off the bathroom light behind me. I turn off the bathroom light behind me. I head back to the kitchen. I head back to the kitchen. The living room feels brighter now. The living room feels brighter now. Everything feels ready for the day. Everything feels ready for the day. I take a moment just to breathe. I take a moment just to breathe. Mornings move faster once I'm dressed. Mornings move faster once I'm dressed. The kitchen already smells like coffee. The kitchen already smells like coffee. I fill the kettle and wait. I fill the kettle and wait. A cup from the shelf, nothing fancy. A cup from the shelf, nothing fancy.
Coffee is the best part of mornings.
Coffee is the best part of mornings. I like it strong, no sugar. I like it strong, no sugar. 2 slices of bread go in the toaster. 2 slices of bread go in the toaster. I like waiting for the toast to pop up. I like waiting for the toast to pop up. A little butter, nothing more. A little butter, nothing more. I sit down and finally slow down. I sit down and finally slow down. I eat slowly and take my time. I eat slowly and take my time. My phone buzzes, but nothing urgent. My phone buzzes, but nothing urgent. Breakfast is my favorite quiet moment. Breakfast is my favorite quiet moment. I finish my coffee faster than expected. I finish my coffee faster than expected. I rinsed my cup before leaving the kitchen. I rinse my cup before leaving the kitchen. Cleaning up only takes a minute. Cleaning up only takes a minute. A full stomach makes everything easier. A full stomach makes everything easier. Breakfast never takes very long. Breakfast never takes very long. I already feel ready for the day. I already feel ready for the day. The kitchen looks tidy again. The kitchen looks tidy again. I like these small, quiet routines. I like these small, quiet routines. My bag waits by the door, as always. My bag waits by the door, as always. I check for my keys and phone. I check for my keys and phone. I grab my jacket on the way out. I grab my jacket on the way out. I take one last look around. I take one last look around. I lock the door behind me. I lock the door behind me. I walk down the stairs quickly. I walk down the stairs quickly. The street feels busy already. The street feels busy already. A few people are already waiting. A few people are already waiting. I check the time on my phone. I check the time on my phone.
The bus arrives right on time.
The bus arrives right on time.
I find a seat near the window.
I find a seat near the window. I watch the city slowly wake up. I watch the city slowly wake up. I listen to music on the way.
I listen to music on the way.
The ride takes about 20 minutes. The ride takes about 20 minutes. My stop comes up quickly. My stop comes up quickly. I get off and start walking. I get off and start walking. I walk the last few minutes. I walk the last few minutes. I know these streets well. I know these streets well.
Almost there, just around the corner.
Almost there, just around the corner.
This part of the walk feels easy.
This part of the walk feels easy. I arrive right on time as usual. I arrive right on time as usual. I say a quick good morning to everyone. I say a quick good morning to everyone. My desk looks just like I left it. My desk looks just like I left it. The computer takes a moment to start. The computer takes a moment to start. I check my messages first thing. I check my messages first thing. A short list keeps the day organized. A short list keeps the day organized. I start with the easiest task first. I start with the easiest task first. It helps me find my rhythm. It helps me find my rhythm. I take a short break later. I take a short break later. I drink a little water. I drink a little water. I stretch my arms and shoulders quickly. I stretch my arms and shoulders quickly. I get back to work. I get back to work. Time moves faster than expected. Time moves faster than expected. Before I know it, it's almost noon. Before I know it, it's almost noon. I feel calm and productive. I feel calm and productive. Mornings like this set the tone. Mornings like this set the tone. A good start makes everything easier. A good start makes everything easier. I try to enjoy the small moments. I try to enjoy the small moments. Even simple mornings can feel special. Even simple mornings can feel special. And that's my daily routine, start to finish. And that's my daily routine, start to finish.
And that's it. 100 sentences down. Nice work.
Seriously, that wasn't nothing. 100 sentences out loud with us.
If you made it through all of them today, drop a comment. Day 1 done. We want to see it.
If this helped you, like it, subscribe. That's how we reach more English learners around the world, one person at a time.
Tomorrow, day 2, breakfast time. Same time, same practice, a little further along than today.
Thank you for being here with us today.
See you tomorrow, English adventurers.
Bye for now.